Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Hey, listen, got a tool here. It's one of the schedulers that are out there. There's a lot of new schedulers coming on board, but there's some tried and true schedulers that are out there already. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe and ring the bell because I'm always doing new hacks. I'll wake up 2, 3 in the morning. I got a new hack. I'll just publish it, right? My wife's like, hey, where are you going? I says, hey, I got to publish this new hack. So you don't want to miss it if it comes to me. So I'm always doing a lot of them and I don't want you to miss them. So let me just share with you. This is a very, very big, powerful tool called Radaar. They're a scheduler that is out, very inexpensive, but very powerful. More than you get your money's worth on this. But listen, there's a lot of things I can talk about in this tool. I will only talk about one today. Actually, you know what? Since you're here and you probably did hit the bell button, let me give you a quick bonus one. It has a lot of things here, but let me show you quick 2 things. I want to show you what I love about this scheduler. I do have a couple other schedulers that I use, and I use them for different brands and I use them for different reasons. But I love using the best parts of every single tool that I get. This one has this feature. Since you're here, it has this feature, this monitoring feature, right? And you can monitor different words across different channels. So what I'm monitoring here is I'm monitoring the word Jenny Jones, right? And I'm monitoring my hashtag, but I'm monitoring it across Instagram. Look what happens when your name comes up, or the name or the tag that you're monitoring comes up. It sends it to this feed. A couple things this allows you to do. It allows you to go instantly to the feed and join in the conversation. So this is, in fact, and then it works for Twitter and all those other ones as well, which is very, very, very powerful. Twitter is always a lot of traffic. You can jump inside the conversations and people say, hey, who is this person? And they start following you and so on and so forth, especially if you add value to the post. So this is a post here. Someone posted episode 12 is now live. Listen to Chloe retails a murder involving Jenny Jones and her connections with the courthouse. That's not me, obviously, but I can join in the conversations and say, hey, what did I do? Right. And then people say, hey, who is that? And they'll start following me just as a result. So again, that's just something you can do. That's the monitoring feature. You can monitor all these different sources here. And you can monitor several different keywords here. And this just brings you these flags and notifications. I just wanted to give you that, but let me show you the power in this tool. There's a lot of things, man. This tool, they keep expanding, keep going further and further with this tool. So let me just walk you through really quick. Will not take you long here. What I love about this is I have one now in draft and it shows up gray. I have one that's scheduled for tomorrow to drop at 4 o'clock. That shows up here, it's yellow. And if it's in progress, it'll show up in blue. And obviously if it's already published, it'll show up in green, right? And if there's an error and something's not going to work with it, you get the red tag here. And I love seeing that visual really quick. And this is a 30-day, you can change the schedule or you can search by different statuses here. But let me show you the power in this tool. I don't know if any other tool does this yet. Maybe they do, but I just don't know. But let me share with you. So let's go here. We're going to do a new post here. And it's like, I want to do a post Saturday for my real estate company, but I don't know what I want to post. I go here, put it on schedule, and automatically it goes to the next available time slot, right? I was trying to do one earlier, but it goes to the next available time slot. Let me erase this one because this time slot is gone already. So let me erase that one. So let's go back. Let's go back into that. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's go back into editing that one. So we're back in there. And just like any other scheduler, you can upload your photo, video, what have you here. Then you can put the title, then you can put the caption there, right? You can upload the video, picture. You can use the gallery here, right? And there's a lot of things I can get into with this tool, but I want to stay on the surface. I want to make this video short. I think what's powerful is I'm going to switch the time to post this and we'll talk about it. I want to find the best time to post this video. So what I'll do is I want to post it Saturday. So we're going to move this to Saturday. All right. And then I don't know what time to post it on Saturday, so let's look. So let's go here and let's look on Saturdays and find a good time to post, because they give you the best time to post here. The highest amount of followers is on at 1400, 2 o'clock, or they are on at 6 a.m. Yeah, 2 o'clock. So let's go 1400 here. So let's change it to 1400. So let's change that time to 1400. So we'll go here, which is 2 o'clock. And we'll go a little bit after 2. So 14.3, apply there. Okay, so now it's asking for the copy. This is the best part, and this is the secret ingredient I love about this tool. You go here and you go to Content Copilot. Like, I don't know what I'm gonna post Saturday, so we'll need a Copilot to fly with us, right? Because we're on Radaar, right? So we need a Copilot to help us fly. I don't know. I'm figuring it out. I talked to the founder. He said, yeah, they're doing some different things like that. So listen, I don't know what I'm gonna post, but I know it's gonna be about real estate. So what I can do is I can take these this is a good one, the CEO of Remax. So I may post that, may post demand for mortgage refinancing down 53%. I like that, right? So let me post that. So what I'll do here is I like that. Copy to clipboard. Okay. So we'll go here, we'll replace as image. So we'll pull that in. So replaced as image, it pulled in, it gave us a title, gave us a comment here. So we already have our copy already set for Saturday at, well, I thought we said we'd set this at 2. I don't know what happened there. Did we say 2? Yeah, didn't want to just apply it there. Okay. All right, and then we'll update it. All right, so now that that's in, right, we already have this already set for Saturday, and then we hit schedule. Oh, I forgot to hit the channel. Sorry about that. Gotta hit the real estate channel. I want the Instagram. I get this, and then I'll update it. We're already set, and then we'll schedule. Sorry about that. Change to Saturday. Now we'll schedule it for Saturday. All right. So, yeah. So if you make any change, it wants to go back and confirm with you. So we already see it showed up Saturday at 4:18, and we're all ready to go. And again, this is just you're using the Copilot here. We're Credit Arc. We didn't even do anything, right? It's got using that. It's using this, right? And it puts the article there, and people can see it. We're already set for it. All right. So this has been your quick hack. I like to keep my hacks short. Hope all is going well. Don't forget to subscribe. I got another big hack coming. Probably, I have 2 big hacks coming. One in the next couple of days, and I have a major one coming on Monday. All right. Hope you guys doing well. Stay safe out there. Goodbye for now.